Hello and welcome to this 12th session, and in this session we are going to explore a different type of effect which is called as the video collage effect. So to start with, let us see that the Resolve is launched, and in Resolve I am going to double click and open the video effects project which we are working from the last two classes. So in the previous session we did this 3D keying. Now open the media pool here, and in the media pool now we have completed the matte and the keying. Now come to collage folder. Coming to collage folder, now here you have one video clip of a person talking here. If I double click it, I will temporarily close the inspector and double click to open it in the source window. So you have this clip of a person talking. This has both video and audio. Select this clip, right click and choose create new timeline using selected clip. Name this as video. I will give it the name as video underscore collage and click create. So you have this video collage created. It has two audio tracks and one video track. So we have this moving over here. Click on zoom extend to zoom the entire clip. Now I will select this clip. See that this linking is off, so that I select only the video clip. I will just come here, right click, and I am going to add video tracks, and I am going to add another 3 video tracks and 0 audio track, and click add tracks. So I have video 1, 2, 3, 4 added. Now I select this clip, with Alt pressed I will drag it to the video 2 track, so it gets duplicated. And with this clip selected, now I am going to come over here and I am going to select another clip of a person walking here. See, of a lady walking. I am going to double click to open it in the source window, and I will make video 2 channel the active channel here. Then I am going to drag it here and choose fit to fill. So you can now see this clip is added. Okay. Now next I am going to select this video 1 track again. With Alt press, drag and put it to video 3 track, and in video 3 track I am going to select this day 14, this scenery clip. Double click to open it. Day 14 OMO landscape.move. I select this clip. Now I will activate video 3 as the active track, and with this track selected I will drag it and choose the option fit to fill. So when I choose fit to fill, you have this clip added here. So I added 3 tracks now, and finally now in video 4 again I will come to video 1, press Alt and drag it and put this in video 4 track, so that it gets duplicated. Press Alt to duplicate. Remember, now I will come to this video 4 track and I will make it active, and once I make it active, I then come over here and I have one beautiful scenery here. I will double click to open it. I will select this track. So with this track selected, I will drag this and choose fit to fill, and you can now see this track has been added. So now actually what I have done is I have added 4 video tracks. One is this background scenery which is on the top, and below that I have placed 3 tracks. Now usually, now the effect I want is I want to create a collage of these 3 videos over this background. This video 4 channel, whatever video you are seeing, is the background video. Normally when we actually do the collage, we place the background video at the bottommost track. But when we use video collage effect, this effect works a little different. Here it is going to cut this video and make certain areas transparent. So that's why in this case the background video for video collage will be placed as the topmost track. Now come here, close media pool, come to effects, and in effects now in search type collage, and you can see the video collage effect. So select this video collage effect, and with this video 4 track selected, keeping it activated, and with this clip selected, select video collage and double click, and when you double click, that effect will be added. So when this effect is added, you can now see that there are 4 transparent windows or 4 cut windows added to this background clip, and below that you are seeing 1 video clip. Now I want this collage to be customized. Customized means I doesn't want 4 collage windows, I want 2 on the left and 1 on the right. How to customize it? For this, open the inspector, come to the effects channel, and in the effects channel, if you see this effect, you can see here workflow, create background, and in layout you have column and rows, and you have 2 columns and 2 rows. I will enable here preview layout, and with this preview layout I have 4 windows present over here, and now here I am going to come to the tiles, from globals change to tiles, and here you have active tiles, and I am going to, you can see the 4 tiles here. I will select the 4th tile, and you click on manual tile management and click on delete tile. So automatically this tile has been removed. So now we have only 3 tiles. Now I will select tile number 2, and selecting tile number 2 I will move down, and you have an option here, custom size and shape. I will open this column, and here in start row it is set to 1. I will set the end row to 2. So when I set the end row to 2, you can now see I have a different layout. So now I have 1, 2 and 3. So in this way I can customize my layout, and once I have customized my layout, I will switch off this preview layout. And now what is happening is, in all the 3 cut windows I am seeing only the video 3 track. So I will select the video 3 track, then enable the transform tool, and then I will scale it down and fit it into this window. I will drag and fit this into this window. Okay, so I have made this sit inside this window. Now I select the next track here, video, and I am going to drag it and place it here. However, here I have an issue. See, this video is also coming into tile 1 and also to this tile 2. So in this case what I will do is, I will come to the options here and choose crop, and then just crop it out like this so that we can see only this area. Okay. Now select video 1 track, drag this with video 1 track selected, come back here to transform, drag this person here, and if required zoom it a little like this, adjust his image like this, and now you can see the 3 images are placed correctly. Only now thing is, I want to add some background, that is border and a shadow. So to do this, I will come back to the top background layer again, come to effects, and in effects below manage tile, if you come down, you have the options, various options here, and in this option I will come to tile styling, and in tile styling I am going to add a tile border. See, you can see a small border is added. I will add approximately 0.02 border, okay, 0.02 border, and I can change the color of this border. I will click here and I am going to select some green color here and click OK. I have added a green border, and then if you come down, I will close tile styling and I will come to drop shadow, and in drop shadow I will change first the distance and I will increase the strength. Okay, as I increase the strength, you can see the background shadow. I can move it and adjust the distance. I will keep the distance at 0.016. okay, I will keep it at 0.016. The angle, let it be at around 45 degree only. Let us keep it at 45 degree, and strength, let us make it 0.8, and if required slightly blur this. So I will blur it to around 0.7. I will make it blur, and strength I will slightly still increase and make it full 1. Okay, so now you can see a beautiful shadow cast on the back side. So now click here to close the transform window, and now if I press the home button to come to the first screen, and if I play the video,
how design is made is actually one of the most exciting aspects of our business.
So we have successfully created this collage effect.
How design is made is actually one of the most exciting aspects of our business.
See, this collage is now working fine. So we use this video collage effect, we customized it, and we have created this collage. Now before I conclude this session, I want to show you one more effect, and the next effect I am going to show you is the effect of transform. I am going to use one more video effect called as the transform effect. So for this transform effect, I am now going to come back to media pool. I have completed this collage. This is fine now. I will come to this transform window, and in transform window you have a video clip, arrival at work. I will select this clip, right click and choose create new timeline using selected clip, and I am going to call this as transform, and I am going to click create. So this has created a new timeline with this clip, and after this clip I will press down arrow and come to the end of the clip. I am going to select the storefront clip and I am going to insert it. So I am going to insert it at the end. So after this clip comes here, I am going to add this clip. Okay. So now in this case, now for the clip, I will press home and I will come to the first frame here. Then I will right click here and I am going to add a video track. I have added a video 2 track. I will make V2 the active track. Then I have a logo. I will drag this logo and put it in this video 2 track. And I will drag it till the end of this clip. So I have this title placed over here. Now the effect I want is, I want this title to be superimposed on the glass window of this shop. So for this, I am going to select this clip, close media pool and come to effects, and in effects now I am going to come to search, and I am going to search for the transform effect. You can see resolve effects transform. I will double click and that effect is applied to this. So you can see this effect is applied to this. Now with this effect selected, I will come over to this inspector and choose the effects control. You have control mode is set to sliders. I am going to change it to interactive canvas, and when I change it to interactive canvas, then I will come here on this viewport, that is in this program window, and on the left hand side I am going to choose open effects overlay. Now you can see this interactive canvas. Now I will make this window slightly bigger so that I can adjust it correctly. Now I can hold anywhere here, drag it and place it like this. See, I can move it. I will move this corner and place it here, and I will move this corner and place it here. If required, scroll the middle mouse to zoom in, then just adjust it so that it is precisely with middle mouse pressed, move it down and adjust it to the corner so that it sits exactly in the corner like this. Okay, then press middle mouse. So these two corners I think are fine. Then I will move over here and I am going to move this and place it at this corner, and I will come to the top and move this to the top so that it is exactly matching this line. Okay, now I will rotate the mouse and zoom out, and middle mouse and pan it up, and I will click on this effects to disable it. Now you can see the board is placed on the glass. The only thing is I want it to be more natural. So for this we are going to use a different blending mode. So now with this logo selected, I will come to video, and in video in composite mode I am going to choose the composite mode here. If you scroll down, I will choose overlay. So when I choose overlay, this appears to be written on the glass. Okay, now this is fine, but the only issue is, now initially I will again enable this. Say I will come to frame 0 with effects. I will have to readjust it. Okay, I have to see slightly place it like this. At frame 0 I will make this adjustment like this so that these corners are precisely placed. Okay, and 1 second. So this will be here. Okay, so I had adjusted in some other frame. This is a moving shot. So in frame 0 I will make this precise adjustment. Okay, with middle mouse pressed, pan it, and again with left mouse adjust it, with middle mouse pan it, adjust it. So I have done the adjustment. Again with middle mouse adjust this, click and adjust this. So now I have precisely adjusted this, and now if I switch it off, this appears fine. However, if I play the video, you can see that the clip is moving and this title is not syncing with the camera. Now actually in Resolve, I will stop the playback and I will press home to come to the starting. Now in Resolve, you have some camera tracking effect available in Fusion, and those things we are going to discuss it in detail later. But as of now here, to make this adjustment, I will come over here to the effect. I will select this clip. See that your logo.png is selected. Come to effect, and in interactive canvas, if you come here and in this open animation and in animation in canvas keyframe, click here to add a keyframe. I am adding a keyframe at the first frame. Then this is, I will just press effects and see that it is precisely adjusted. Okay, so this is fine. First frame it is fine, and I have added a keyframe. Now I will press key down arrow. So when I press down arrow, you will come to the first frame of the next clip. Now I will press the left arrow to move one frame back, and at this position I am going to readjust this entire thing here. See, I will readjust this correctly, precisely placing it in this way so that it matches the window like this. So I will precisely adjust this, and a keyframe is automatically added. Now I will disable this. Now I will rewind and I am playing it backwards to see whether it is syncing. Now you can see that, or I will press home button to come to the beginning, and if I play it, you can now see that the logo is precisely moving along with the glass. So we have successfully created this second effect, and then you have this landing shot. Okay, and it tilts to the name. So I will stop this playback. So now in this session, I will again come back to the beginning, and I will just zoom it out and I will bring it here so that it is fit into a dish. I will come here and choose fit, or press keyboard shortcut Z to fit it to the screen. Now rewind it fully and play it, and you can now see that the logo is precisely moving along with the camera. Okay, so this is the next effect that we have created. Okay, so now I will stop the playback. Now in this session we explore two effects. One is the video collage effects. We have explored two effects here. One is the video collage effects, and the other effects that we have explored is the transform effect. Now with this, let us conclude this session, and in our next session we will have one concluding title that we are going to create again by using the video collage, but this time using tiles. So for that, let us meet in the next session. Thank you.